Hello everyone, welcome to Doodle Garden. Today, our Doodle Around the World adventure takes us to sunny Italy, home of the amazing Leaning Tower of Pisa. So grab your pencils and let's doodle this wobbly wonder step by step. Let's start with the tower's outline. Draw a tall rectangle about 20 cm high and 7 cm wide. Lightly mark a line down the middle. Now, make the top lean. Place a point about 1.5 cm to the left of the center at the very top. Connect that point to the bottom left corner. That's one side of our leaning tower. Now from the bottom right, draw another line up, keeping it parallel. And you've got the basic slanting shape. Next, divide the tower into 8 layers. Just follow the measurements you see on the screen. These are the levels we will fill with arches and details later. Now, let's make our tower look round. On each of those bands, draw a soft curved line instead of a straight one, like you are wrapping a belt around the tower. This will give the layers a nice cylinder shape we want. The Leaning Tower of Pisa might look tricky at first. We did take it up a notch this time, but don't worry, if you follow along step by step, you will see it's actually easy and lots of fun to draw. Now, draw another soft curve just under each one. The very top floor is a bit narrower, so move in about 1 cm from each side and draw 2 short lines up. Close it with 2 gentle curved lines, just as before, and that's the roof done. Now, add a very soft guidelines under each layer so all your arches line up nicely. Now, I'm drawing 9 arches on this layer. There are actually more, but let's keep it simple. The other arches will pop up quickly on the next layers since we are repeating the same steps. But remember, you can pause the video anytime to draw along at your own pace. The bottom layer has fewer arches, so let's draw 5 here. The top layer might be a little tricky, but let's draw 7 arches up here for now. Next, I'm using the ruler to draw the columns. Now, connect the arches to the columns with a little square shape, and then just keep repeating that all the way around. The next layer's columns will pop up quickly because we're repeating the same steps. See, my friends, most of the tower is drawn by repeating the same steps over and over again. Only the top and bottom layers are a bit different, so we'll take our time on those. The top layer is a little special. It's home to 7 big bells. The columns here aren't spaced like the other layers. We drew 1 arch with its columns, then 2 arches without columns. Those open spaces are where the bells hang. There is also a safety rail around this level, and even on the roof, for visitors. You can keep your drawing simple or add these fun details if you would like, my friends. Oh, listen! The bells are ringing. go! Our sketch is all finished. Now it's time for some color magic to bring it all together. The real Leaning Tower of Pisa is white because it's made of beautiful white marble. But to make our drawing pop, I'm going to use a mix of gray tones and add plenty of shading. You can do the same or choose your own colors to make your tower extra fun. It took almost 200 years to build the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Builders had to stop and start many times to fix the leaning problem. Did you know that, my friends? How about some extra details too? Can't wait to see your drawings, my friends, so share them with us and tag at Doodle Garden Art Hub. Voila! Our majestic tower is all done. I've added a little door at the bottom, some pretty decorations on the walls, and a soft shadow on the back where the sun shines past the columns. You can add these touches too, or keep your tower simple. It's up to you, my friend. Bravo, amici! Our Leaning Tower of Pisa looks amazing. Keep practicing, and soon you will be drawing landmarks all around the world. See you next time. Thanks for watching.